Good morning. We're back. Hey everybody, what's going on? Everybody long? oh, what's happening? I was actually thinking to go long on gold. Just a little bit, just a little bit, but looking for some levels here at 71 maybe. Let me look at it. 70 to 1 maybe. I like that level. Kind of like that. All right. Anyway, how is everybody doing? What a drop. What a drop. With no fear, welcome. Bowser. Bowser is long. Welcome, Bowser. Yonix, hey there. Long and strong. Buy stop order at 411. Oh, let me go down there and check that out. What's happening? Camille is here. The king, the boss. Simply vivacious. Hey. I don't know if you remember from a couple of days ago, but I had lost. Oh, I think I know. Yeah, I remember. Oh, yeah. How's it going? How are you today? Yeah, I remember. Camille is long as well. Farhad. Hey, Farhad, good to see you. You passed your combine, everybody. Huge clap for Simply Vivacious. Congratulations. Alex is here. Good morning. Welcome, Alex. Good to see you. Good job there passing that combine. All right, let's see. So anyway, we had a huge opening gap here, like 130 points ish. That's a big one. Yeah, the NQ definitely spiked. I mean, not just spiked, but took everything it could. Look at the daily. Look at that. Repriced what it could. With a huge gap. Obviously now everybody wants to go long. Everybody. So, yeah. Everybody wants to take this long, including me. Do we have some news here? Naomi's here. Good morning, Naomi. Good to see you. The big cheese. Top dog. All right, stop it. Yeah, no, it's fine. It's okay. Yannick, what's up? Nice payout Apex Saturday. I hope that they. I got denied on all of my payouts, unfortunately. I maybe not on one, but I don't care. I'm just gonna keep on building those accounts. Let me check it for you guys. I got denied on all of them, I think. Which reminds me, by the way, that Apex sales currently, like they're selling all the accounts for $83. Every size, every type of account, trade away rhythmic accounts, 300K account is for $83. So let me check it. Request payout page. I think one is still under review, but here you go. I got the request. This one actually is interesting because I sent in 1 day earlier, but these three got denied, and this one is still under review. I'm guessing it will be denied as well, but hey, I'm just gonna keep on continuing, and that's it. So I knew I did some crazy stuff. I was actually almost sure that these small 500 ones are okay, so I was pretty sure about this. So I don't really know. But I was actually confident in this account, the 45. I was actually very confident in this one. This still got denied, but anyway, I'm just gonna keep on rolling. That's what we can do. 30% rule, which I know. I know that. I knew about that. I followed my trading, and I knew there was a day when I was on tilt and I was copy trading. I tried to go slow, but anyway, one of my trades went over $1,000, but just wanted to make sure, and I requested the payout just to see if I get denied, and I just got denied. So the 30% rule is actually very simple. Don't let any of your trades go into a 30% or bigger drawdown as of your biggest daily of your daily loss limit as your or maximum loss limit. So for example, until you're not reaching your $2,600 limit on a 50K account, or $2,500, 26, I don't even know, you have to go 30% of that, which is I think $780 or something. So your biggest drawdown on one single position should not be greater than $780. But for example, if you had $3,000 in daily loss, in maximum loss limit, then obviously the 30% grows as your account balance grows. You can have a bigger drawdown. But I managed to go over 780. I was around $1,100 or $1,000 at least. I knew what happened. I was aware of it. That's it. That is it. End of story. I knew it, and I couldn't wait to request the payout just to move on. Now in this cycle, this trading cycle, I am definitely going to apply with much smaller size, trying to build up a few $100s more. I should be able to request $2,000 soon on each of these accounts because that's what I'm aiming for. So no hard feelings currently on my end. I'm just going to keep on building. White keeps selling. No news. I was reading as much as I could this morning before the stream. I didn't really found the something happened in Asia. I'm not sure. Manufacturing PMI from China. Trump to impose emergency 25% tariffs on goods from Colombia. I don't think that this really affected the market. Look at, this was the news here on S&P with the Colombia stuff, and then it started to go down. I'm not sure if this caused the drop, but US dollar immediately started to be a little stronger here. Might be, not sure. Is that really that matters? 25% tariff on Colombia goods. I don't know. Not sure. Yeah, Japan rising rates. I was reading something about that as well. Maybe it was earlier. But anyway. And there is something, let me check the Wall Street Journal. Oh no, this is Friday. So nothing here. Anyway. That's Friday's newspaper. Reza, hey there. Doing great, thank you. Welcome, good to see you. There was something about AI and... Oh, really? Yeah, that DeepSeek AI or something. Which is a free AI or... Yeah, something. Yeah, I think it's called DeepSeek. I think I tried it out as well. It's almost identical to ChatGPT. Oh, thank you, Reza. Thank you so much for the support. One straight funded account with Tick Trader. Let's go, 150K. Let's go, Reza. Congratulations and good luck with the account. Thank you for the support, man. Thank you very much for using the code. Yeah, Tick Trader still offers the direct core accounts with Tradeaway and Project X and Ninja Trader with a 35% discount if you use my code. That would cause the market to go down in August. DeepSeek. Let's go, Reza. I'm actually I'm going to push Tick Trader and Take Profit Trader this week as much as it's possible. DeepSeek, yeah. Hey NPM, good to see you. DeepSeek, open source. That's what I've heard. It's Chinese open source AI. So basically, that's the one that's going to control Skynet, and you know the rest from the movie. What's gonna happen after that? So who knows? The value of US AI stocks are. Oh yeah, definitely. Actually, I was thinking about the same too. Yesterday, I was reading about this DeepSeek stuff on Twitter, and I was NPM. You are way ahead. So, so if there is this open source AI, and companies are going to use this, or businesses, whatever, then it's going to hurt a little bit the US AI plans, if the world is going to use the open source Chinese AIs. I don't know. AI bubble could be. It's quite down with downside, maybe more down. Yeah, maybe it can happen. Maybe. I entered a very small long position, only with one single micro. So I'm holding a long position on gold. Sorry, I haven't said that. I'm holding a long position on gold, but my usual probe trade for the morning, I'm perfectly okay with it. My target would be on gold is to put it higher to somewhere to 2772-ish area. There's a 15-minute zone I like up there. Unfortunately, there is also a small liquidity void, which it will reprice. My stop is down there. Actually, where can I show you this? On Quant Tower. MGC, here it is. And I took it on the 3-minute/5 minute, but here's the trade. Nothing. I enter right at the top, so don't worry about it. The entry is terrible. I think it's gonna reprice 58.4, but that's just one trade, one micro. So on NQ, it can go lower. Still see some sell side at the 250s. I'm not sure how far it will drop. There are some levels. Just careful with the longs here still. Let's wait this one out. They said they'll build it for only 5 million. Whew. Interesting. All right, it seems like we might be making a new low here. Maybe I will be like the metric and imperative. Yes. Customer says, I don't know. And I don't know. Degen Trader, hello. Welcome. Welcome to the stream. Yeah, maybe it's possible, you know. And NQ just taking another dip down. NQ just taking another dip lower. Well, nothing else can be seen here. If we look to the left on the 15, where are we? There's a swing low here. Most likely going to be taken out at 307. What's the low of this on the micro? 306.75. I'm not jumping in. Not taking a trade on that one. Oh, let's go back here. So nothing special here that I like. There's a 5-minute gap here. Not that significant, but liquidity has been picked up right there. Also looks like a possible zone to go for. But that's it. That is it. Risk off. Oh, Wix pumping. I don't see any entry. Yeah, Degen Trader, I start at pre-London open, like around 2 a.m. Eastern Standard. So as Smart Money Concepts would say, like in the kill zone when it starts at 2 a.m., I'm looking for setups as orders keep coming into the market. But yeah, exactly. Put this short run 386. Oh, nice from up there. 4 minis. Ooh, Bassett. Dude, you're swimming in profits there. Edgaras, hey. I'm not quite sure, Edgaras, what was the news event here. Was it because of AI or was it because of the Colombia news? You know, Trump to impose emergency 25% tariffs on goods from Colombia. This is when the news hit. But that was Friday, actually. So what the hell? I don't know. I didn't see anything special. Japan, Cabinet approval, rating rises. Okay, so Japan approves, rating rises 2 points to 23%. Okay. White House, Lebanon. Okay. So nothing out of the extraordinary. I don't know. BWX futures. X ticker. I haven't checked on it ever, but I might check on it. When will it stop? I think everybody's asking the same question. When will it stop? No idea. No idea. 5 XFAs, $205. Nice. Good job. Spread, yeah. Let's go. Let's go, Dijon. Yeah, the spread's a little bit better, definitely. And, you know, because the futures market is regulated, everybody sees the same price. As on Forex, you know, the Forex brokerages or prop firms can mess around with the exact price and the spread as they want. So yeah, executions are, I'm not saying wow, super good, but definitely a little bit better than on Forex. This week off 50%. Oh, 50 points with 4 minis. Oh yeah, you should have to. 50 points with 4 minis, dude. How much is that? $80 per point. 80 times 10, 800. Oh my god, $3,200. Take the week off. Oh yeah, that's 50%. Watch them gap fill this by lunchtime. I don't know. It was a huge drop. How far are we from the gap? Everybody wants to go long now. Everybody. But, you know, we've seen, Jesus, 430 points-ish. I mean, NQ can do it. You know, if you're asking which market can do this, NQ can do. It did it before. Good morning, Aaron. Good to see you. Yeah, I don't know. We were just talking about it. Not quite sure. Nissim, welcome. Yeah, last week, Naomi, that's true. Have to be careful. Last week they said have to be careful because this is going to be a Trump week, which means rumors saying that he's going to be announcing all kind of crazy stuff that can affect the market, you know. He just wakes up, you know, takes a walk, goes out to his golf course or whatever, says something, and the market is going to go upside down. I don't know. Yeah, we have FOMC, of course. Yeah. Yeah, to fill it, 570 points. That's crazy. 100K challenge live. Let's go. Good luck. I wish you the best, Legion Trader. Good luck. Go small, I would say. The daily top work, yeah. And Jeff is here. Oh my god, Jeff Koski. What's happening? Well, my gold trade is gonna go down, it seems like. No big deal. I'm in a paper trade sell on pound dollar. Paper trading on pound dollar. Just curious if this one gets to a zone or not. Damn it, gold. I was hoping that it will go higher. Anyway. Yeah, exactly. Exactly, Degen Trader. $97 is okay, absolutely fine, Jeff. That is like nothing. Trust me. Even on a fund, I mean, on a funded account, absolutely, it's nothing. Even if you copy traded that, that's absolutely nothing. Horseshit. Yeah, everybody is curious, including myself. No idea. We were talking about this. I don't know which caused it. What caused the drop? I'm not sure. You know, if we look at the 1 hour, how low? I mean, we have liquidity below 21,176. I'm trying to no, there's a 306 sell side here. And there is a zone at 300. So at this moment, I can imagine this one dropping to to this zone at 306. So be careful. I'm out of the gold trade, unfortunately, but it was a small trade, very, very, very small trade. So no hard feelings on that. On gold, if I go to the 15-minute, I see some nice levels up there. I'm still overall bullish in the big picture on gold, extremely bullish. I like to see this, you know, especially because it has an Asia high there, so why not? I like to see this go up there to 27.77. Maybe not now, maybe later. Just saying. As for NQ, I think that's the million dollar question. That 306 is very close. It can shit the bed one more times and then one more time and then maybe turn around. I'm not doing YOLO now. I'm waiting for a new higher high to buy NAS. Yeah, I think that's the smartest thing to do. That is the smartest thing to do, for sure. So I wish I would know what caused this drop, but no idea. No idea. And gold is going down a little bit more, which is fine. Bitcoin is melting. What is going on with Bitcoin? Tell me this. I mean, look at this. In like, not that I care too much about Bitcoin, but yeah. It's dropping like $7,500 in the past couple of hours. Like 12 hours or so. Interesting. Well, Bassett, in the past 1 week, yes, or 2 weeks, December was absolutely horrific. London session was a total crap. Asia sessions were the best in December, I think. Asia sessions were actually making perfect liquidity and perfect, price action scenarios. As I looked back every morning in the London morning, I looked back to the Asia session. I was like, wow, beautiful price action. So London was absolute terrible in December. Now this month, London a little bit better, but I think the worst day so far was on, which day was that? I don't know, last week on the New York AM session. Just rangy sideways. Mexican John Wick is here. Good morning. Since 3 p.m. California. Wow, this is absolute nuts. I don't know I'm also searching the news, but I cannot find exact explanation for this drop. I don't know. So Trump is the crypto president. Yeah, Bitcoin will react. Not sure. Not sure how this one is gonna go. I think, Steve, it will try, but maybe it's not gonna be today. I mean, NQ can do this, by the way, but we're down almost like 430 points from the low of the gap. I'm not saying NQ cannot do this in a session or in a day, because obviously NQ can do anything. I'm not surprised on NQ anymore. So if NQ wants to do this, it can do it in 10 minutes if it wants to reprice it. So I think I've seen quite a few things that NQ can do, but currently on a Monday, we still have a lot of time. Big players can still squeeze everybody to the downside or stretch it as far as they want to or can or whatever, or looking for some better levels on the big time frames to buy stocks or whatever. I would not be putting my bet on NQ that it's going to close it today. Maybe sometime during the rest of the week, until Friday maybe, but I wouldn't hold my breath for today to close this gap. You're welcome, Camille. I don't know what you're thanking me, but I wish you luck. But I wish you luck. I approve your luck. Think you might hit the kill switch. Oh yes. Oh yeah. Oh, totally forgot that. Casual, thank you for reminding. It might hit the kill switch. So, and with prop firms, you gotta be careful about the kill switch. if the market drops, how much is the kill switch on NQ? 5 or 7%? I don't even know. But at prop firms, for example, at Top Step, they're saying if NQ drops, I think 4 or 5% in a day, then you cannot put on a position. 6%. 6%. I think Top Step said it last year. We had a day like this when it dropped like I don't know, 1,300 points or 1,100. I don't even know, something. And Top Step sent out a mail, and other prop firms too, that watch out for the kill switch. You cannot hold a position on the funded accounts when the market is dropping below, I don't know how many percent. 7. Long on gold, Daro's dropping. Powell is on Wednesday, yeah. Camille. All right. Let's go, Camille. 7%. Okay. Okay, 7%. But I don't. But the prop firms has the prop firms don't go for 7%. The prop firms are having a tighter range. I just don't know how much. Maybe Naomi knows it better. Yeah, there you go, Naomi. Yeah, it could be around 4% across multiple prop firms. It's not 7. I'm sure it's not 7% on prop firms. It's tighter. So if this drops above 3% or below 3%, sorry, if this goes below 3%, then be careful and watch for that percentage level, because you might violate the rules on some prop firms. Gold is still okay, by the way, as far as I'm seeing. Usually making BS rules. Yeah, they want to make profit as much as they can, I guess. Yeah. %. Oh, okay. Okay, I see money flow. Thank you. That's why I was asking. Prop firm set it to 5%. Okay. Red, good morning. Well, nothing super special. The market is just dropping, so nothing out of the nothing that we haven't seen before. I offer a custom indicator that will plot the different kill switch lines at 2%. Offset for preference. Oh, there you go. I see money flow has the indicator for that. How much do you know? What's the percent currently? On TradingView, it says 2.59. So 2.59% down. Good morning, Cedric. %5 down is 681. Okay. All right. You know what? Thank you for the info. I'm just gonna put a line there. If we're dropping down there, then so today it's gonna be 20,681 for that 5%. So I know I set it to 85, but be careful if the market would drop. One thing is for sure, I am definitely scared to jump into a long position here. And I think that 306 could definitely happen. So just be careful, you know. Just be careful, everyone. Obviously, we have the macro in about, how much, 10 minutes or so. Yeah, huge gap there. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Be careful to catch the falling knife if this one is going to be one of that scenarios. We don't know for sure, obviously. Asia dumping rate is yeah, I was searching for news, but I didn't find anything, Cedric. I did not find anything um, related to some Asia news. I wish I would have found something, but I didn't. So, for now, I have nothing about that. Let's just watch this and keep an eye on what's going on here. Oh yeah. Then the market halts. Yeah. Oh yeah, maybe ChatGPT knows something. Maybe ChatGPT knows something. I'm not sure. We have 8 minutes until the macro. But this one can just keep going up there. Maybe it's gonna do an inversion here. Who knows, right? Seven more minutes until the macro. Let's wait for it. I'm looking at gold as well. Hey, Iron White, good morning. Do you know how much the Bulenox resets? I think it's $39. I think it's 39 bucks. Good morning, Yokozuna. Gold long? What's happening there on gold? Just curious. Oh yeah, there's a push here on gold. I like it. Yeah, nice little push here on gold. This one kind of created an inversion gap here on the 1 minute, but there was no sweep before that, so it's not a strong probability gap. Wix dumping, yeah. AI investment, disappointing earnings from India. Yeah, higher time frames definitely are cleaner. Hey, Michael, good morning. Well, we're trying to figure out what caused the drop. That's all. Still trying to get some information. Tudor, good morning. I don't know. I don't know. We're trying to figure out. Fall over 200 points as markets react to DeepSeek release. Oh, is it about that? Interesting. I'm not sure. I'm not sure, Casual. Trump farted. Yeah. Hey, Mamba folks, what's happening? Good to see you. How's your day, Mamba folks? Welcome, welcome. Yeah, so I don't know. We're trying to figure this out ourselves, but it seems like, you know, just usual. Just a quick phone call here. Sorry, just the market makers. Several hours that rattled the global markets. U.S. President Donald Trump announced sweeping tariff. Yeah, I heard about that, but is that really the thing? Did that really cause this? I'm not sure. Good morning, Dilzik. Now we have the macro real close. I mean, yeah, actually we are in the macro, so we are in the macro right now. We could see a reversal, I think. There's every possibility here that we could see a possible reversal, but one more sell side remains at 306. I don't know if the London Open wants to take that or not, but you know, who knows? There's a zone up there at 400. Gotta be careful. Gotta be careful. Japan chip stocks fall as deep sea exchange. US AI dominance raises varies. Oh, okay. So that's what they're talking about. Wasn't really sure. Eight more minutes until London. I don't know what to expect here. I don't know. The 5-minute looks like sideways. The 15-minute still a little bit interesting. As for gold, let me check on gold. I like gold, by the way. What was that level up there? Anyway, we're gonna find out. It might gonna be. I don't know. Still 7 minutes until the London Open, so not quite sure which direction it wants to go to. Everybody wants to go long, you know, to close the gap. That's for sure. I think everybody wants that. At least majority of the market wants it. But not quite sure. What the algorithm or price wants to do. Sideways? Yeah. Could happen. Could happen. I mean, after a drop like this, it wouldn't be surprising. To see it happen. You know, if it's risk off, then maybe gold will try to turn into bullish. Who knows? Otherwise, we have, what do we have? We have the new 5-minute candle now. So all right, what is happening? Is this want to sweep something here or make some new lows, or what's the deal here with what just happened? Did this just didn't? Okay, interesting. 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 Enter the gold long again, but only with one micro. Targeting 69 on gold. Waiting for this market to reverse all evening. This is crazy. Yeah, and you know, now that this one has been taken out, the 306, there's still one more level down there. There's still one more level. Which is close, 254. I'm just gonna put a line there. I can't. I'm scared to jump in here. Definitely have to wait for London Open, and we have these sell side levels. Have to be very careful to catch a falling knife, because this is a falling knife. No matter how we look at it, we definitely have some zones, some levels, some order blocks. Oh, my pound dollar paper trade actually hit the profit. I was short on pound dollar paper trading it. I'm trying to I might, as I told last year, I might try to pick up a forex prop firm. I think it will be Fibers or Funded next, and so I might have to go with one of those. Yeah, Rafael, we might go downtown. Camille. Oh, I feel it there. AI. All of this is so Skynet is coming, or what the hell is gonna? 275. Yeah, 251.50 is the next level. I think on pivot. Yeah. Yeah, actually, Bowser, that's true. It does really have to reverse. There's some very good targets here. Yeah, NQ is crazy today. My gold trade is in a drawdown, $15. But it was only one micro. I'm not gonna force it. Actually, I'm gonna close my gold trade. All right, closing it. This is just too crazy. I'm gonna wait for a 5-minute move maybe, or something. I don't know. This is just too unpredictable. I'm gonna wait a little bit with the gold trade. I'm definitely eager to jump into a long trade on gold, but this is just not enough. Are we sweeping these lows, or what's happening? All right. Sorry, I'm here. I wasn't with you guys. This because DeepSeek managed to train what? Personal infrastructure OpenAI used to train their model, hence less need for GPUs. Wow. Oh, that's an interesting thing. I would just be careful with these going short here. You know, just be careful because this can be a real tricky one. Don't chase it. All institution enters sells at 10 Friday. I see. That could be also true. The 4-hour from Friday 10 a.m. Let's check it. All right, this is my quant hour chart, and I'm actually curious how quant hour has this on. On this 4-hour. Yeah, so this is a 4-hour chart. Yeah. Yeah. I see what you mean there. I see what you mean. There has to be a 5-minute zone here. I'm gonna mark this up. Or maybe it's a 15-minute zone. I'm not even sure. 5/15-minute zone. Okay. No. Oh, dash. Okay. 388 would be my target where I would go with or go to based on the 5-minute if this would reverse. Now the interesting thing is that seemingly, and I messed up the trade, gold might reverse here to the upside, which I do like. All right, I re-entered. All right, re-entered a gold trade only with 1 micro. Just saying. Making trading futures fun. Yeah, that's true. Silver bullet time, yeah. And it still keeps on dropping. It still just keeps on dropping. And the next level would be 251.50. It's gonna take it. I think it might gonna take it. 10 lots and push NQ up and down. Just be careful. Be careful. For the next bearish 5. 21. Ooh. This is unstoppable. Unstoppable. If this is a risk off scenario, that's why I'm looking for longs on gold as well. This might be a 1 hour inverse fair value gap on gold. Okay, here's my gold trade. 1 hour, you say? Yeah, so here's that gap. No. There was a gap here. Inverse the downside. Okay. I'd like to see this one go actually higher, above the 60s. That's for sure. And there is a 5-minute gap on gold. It has to be. There has to be one. Okay, there's none. I thought there is. But anyway, back to NQ. Back to NQ. Where is it? Here. Going for that 251, I think. Two lot in gold buys. Careful. 51 incoming, everyone. 251 incoming. I'm not jumping in because if it bounces up there, it can bounce like 50 points in 2 seconds. So I'm not going to jump into this short. It's super dangerous. Maybe it's finally here. Maybe this is the huge crash, the beginning of the end. 229. Yeah, that's possible. I think there's a very good chance that we're gonna hit that 251, but you see, it can just wiggle a little bit here, bounce, whatever, and yeah. They finally be here, yeah. 10 points down should be easy pie, right? Or easy as cake or easy as pie. I'm not sure which one. Oh, there you go. $10 now. And there it goes. NQ keeps on dropping. No stopping. Not that I had a trade on, but I thought that it would be fun to play a sound. Oh, man. I was tempted to jump in. I did not. I actually called this a good result on my end, that I could just sit on my hand by not pushing the button. As for reversal, well, not sure how it's gonna go. Let's check out the 1 minute time frame here. Let's zoom in. Okay, nothing special, so don't worry, it's fine. Nothing special. Actually, on TradingView, I have the next level at 171.75. So let's put it there. 171.75. There. The next stop. The next stop right there. Yeah, we are at 3%. Yeah. NQ is down at 3%. It might gonna be one of those days. So better watch out. Be careful. Look at that. Going down to 171. 171. What the hell is going on here? Could someone explain? 230. Raphael was right. 4 points higher from 15. Nice. Good morning, Oshevs. Good to see you. It's gonna be exciting. It's gonna be exciting. The New York session is. I'm especially curious about what the New York session is gonna be look like. Yeah, 1 week. I don't know what the hell. Naomi, what? Account blown? Naomi, come on. Naomi, I hope you did not blow the account. Or if you did, you need to talk about that. Goodbye on GC. Yeah, I'm still in the long here. I don't even know where is it. Here. So my gold is slowly grinding. There is a liquidity void somewhere at 71. It's not seen here on this chart, but on because this is the micro. On the mini, there is a liquidity void, by the way, at 70 or 71, and we have a zone starting at 72. So I'm just holding this to make at least around $100, and I'm copy trading this on the Apex accounts, as you guys can see it. I don't know if it's gonna go or not, but I'm doing this for the next payout cycle. Basically, I'm looking to make slow and small gains for the next payout cycle. But yeah. The move already happened. 100 points short. Yeah. Camille, what? Naomi, really? Come on. Ladies and gentlemen, what is happening? Hit OTE on higher time frame. Lizel, hey there, welcome. I don't know what it wants to do. The gold trade is looking good. Gold hit midnight. We come in and we see shorts and our brains say longs. Yeah, that's what happens now. I mean, that's the thing, and that's why I always get tempted myself as well. Like, oh, we should just, a little bit more to the lows. It should drop more. It should drop more, and then eventually, we all got caught in the spiral, and dollar is still tanking. That's good for the gold. I like it. Yeah, absolutely crazy. John Wick. One Wick. Maybe. I just got approved for my first payouts from Apex and 2 accounts. Let's go, Lawrence. Hit the dashboard. Is it? Yes, it's safe. If the money is deducted, it's safe. Even if you blow the account, since you have the approval message, you're still going to get the money, so don't worry about it. It's also on the website. Don't worry, Lawrence. You're good. And congratulations to Lawrence for getting approval from Apex for the payout. Nice job there. Good job, Lawrence. You don't have to wait for the bank. You can start trading now. Once it's approved and you got the email of approval, you're absolutely okay. You are okay. Yeah, good job there. Good job. Look at this. It's just going. It's going. No stopping here. It's tanking. 171. Jesus, it's gonna hit that. If not that, and actually 200 maybe. Gonna hit the 200 here. You're welcome, Lawrence. By the way, speaking of Apex, all the accounts at Apex currently are $83. The 150k, the 300k account, all the accounts, every account, including the 50k, you name it, everything is, maybe the 25k is lower, I don't know. But anyway, $83 for all the accounts. You can go with the biggest account you ever dreamed of. It's $83. Just saying. That was the commercial. Otherwise, let's focus on the chart. 50 cents, yes. $83.50. That's true, Ollie. $83.50 right now. So if you guys like to go with the big accounts, then obviously it's a good deal now. Yeah, congratulations to Lawrence. Good job. 8 reset, 33. Oh, I see. Yeah, I mean, the resets at Apex are at $33 still. So if you have some blown accounts on your dashboard, it might be cheaper to reset. I don't know. I mean, depending on how you want to continue. The activation fee, I think for now it's $85 for life. At least someone told me on Friday because last week the same sale was going on, and I got info. I did not have new accounts on Friday or last week because I'm managing these PAs for now, but someone told me it's still 85. There's activation fee, yeah, $85. My mouth is watering to go long. I would like to go long too. And I like that level up there at 400. But I just cannot until we don't see a proper structure, at least on the 1 minute. But there's no structure shift to the upside yet. So I don't think they're in trouble, but not reset reveal are resets. Resets are 33. Yes. The or you can reset it now if you want to, but you can wait for the new rebuild. But if you reset it now, you're still gonna get rebuild, you know, at the new month after 30 days when you purchased it at the first time. So you're still gonna get the rebuild, but if you want to trade on it, you can request a reset. Yeah, gold is still good. Also, Take Profit Trader is still down 50%. I have an account on Take Profit Trader, which is up $700, and I need to work on this. So this is only a test account. There is some structure shifting going on here, maybe. Not sure. That level starts at 400. I'm gonna put a line here because that's actually a zone I like. So NQ showing some signs of recovery. $388, sorry, totally forgot. $388. That's not the zone. It's $388. That's it. Okay, so if I would go long here, I would target 388. If I would go long. That's a big if. But I like it. I might take it. I don't know. I might take it. A little bit tempted to jump in here. All right, I took it. If it drops, it's all right. At least I tried. Not the best risk to reward ratio, I know. I know. But for now, this is what I'm gonna go with. It's like 70 or 80 bucks if I lose this, so so it's fine. I'm good with that. But I could be in trouble for trying to catch the falling knife here. Yeah, it needs to. This was a minor shift. It's not really confirmed, so high probability. Sorry, low probability trade. Maybe I'm gonna move my stop a little bit down there because it might try to sweep exactly that 13 level to play a little bit down there with the wicks, but haven't decided yet. And I might even lower my take profit to 15 because I think as soon as it's going to touch liquidity, it might going to drop again. Actually, the high is, yeah, that should be okay for me. My gold trade is not looking. No, actually, it's okay. My gold trade is still okay. Okay, that is still fine. Yeah. I don't like this. I don't like this. Went long again. All right. Let's see. So this is not an exactly good risk to reward ratio. If this would close above 265-ish, I would move my stop to around 32 or 30. So I'm trying to reduce the risk as much as possible. We'll see. Copy trading now, everything is copy traded. I mean, on the Apex accounts. Going to 280. We'll see. As I said, I might reduce the risk, but I need an up close candle above 265. I should have traded on my MyFundedFutures accounts as well. How is gold looking? It's all right. I have to reduce risk. Actually, I could have because we almost managed to go into the 65s, but gold is stalling here. The problem is we have a gap down there, so that's a trouble. Did we go into the 65? I think we did, but we still haven't closed above 65. I wanted to see an up close candle above 65, please, if possible. This one not gonna do it. Just give me an up closed candle. That's all I want. just the website approved, and my Rhythmic accounts total are subtrace the request 1k each account. It's all right, Lawrence. If you still no email, it's fine. Still, if the account has been deducted, it's fine. Absolutely. And if on the dashboard it says approved, it's fine too. You know, Lawrence, to make sure, make a screenshot of your account in your trading software and make a screenshot of the dashboard. Just save it for later. I don't think you're gonna need it, but I'm 100% sure it's all right, Lawrence. 100% sure that you can continue to trade. It says it on their website as well somewhere. I can't find it exactly where because there's so many links there, but it says that if the amount has been deducted, you can safely continue to trade. It's not going to affect, so it's fine. I still need an up close candle because this is, see, this is just wicks. Yeah, no problem, Lawrence. So you should be okay. Absolutely. I would definitely be continuing to trade if I would be seeing that message. Unfortunately, I don't see that message on my end. How did you get your name? Oh, the code. I had to email them, and that's it. I actually emailed them. I think they were asking about my socials, and I sent them my channel and stuff, and I just got an email that okay, it's done, and that's it basically. But it took me for like almost 2 or 3 months. I remember it took a few emails because back then it was still the quote-unquote old staff with Apex, and they weren't really replying to the emails. I think now it should be much faster, but it took me for 2 months since when I got the code. This is dangerous. I might close this. I don't know, Steve. I don't think it's easier. I don't think it's easier to trade gold. And honestly, I think I might. I'm gonna close this trade. Not sure. Not sure yet. I don't like this. I don't like the way it moves. Yeah, this is not good. I was hoping that during the London session is going to go back up there and pick up some liquidity. But it seems like this is just gonna be one of those days when, you know, the falling knife syndrome. Yeah, I'm closing it. Close the trade. I just had to close it. There's no other way around it. 13. Okay, that's fine. We're fine. Perfectly fine. Perfectly fine. All right, reduced my risk on the gold trade a little bit. Move my Move my stop a little bit closer to this swing in case if it would drop lower. And NQ just keeps on falling. Yeah. The silver bullet bank. Yeah, it's gonna, I think it's gonna try to go down to 200. Yeah, look at that. Boom. It's just gonna try to go to 200. Careful. Be careful, everybody. I mean, we could see a bounce as well, but not sure. Do we have news? Not really. Some German news here. I don't know. Interesting though. Interesting levels for sure. We have the macro in 8 minutes. So be careful with that. All right. How is the gold? The gold trade is still looking good. Oh, look at that. We just broke through 200. Oh, man. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. We just broke the 200 there. I just cannot trust NQ at this point. We just got to the point with NQ where, you know, there's no rules in hell now. Trump making London great again. Yeah, this is crazy. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Yeah, that's why I closed my long position. I told you guys, if I don't see an up close candle, you know, with the body instead these wicks on the 1 minute, I'm not comfortable holding that position. So it started to melt down. I was like, okay, that's it. And here we go. So I just had to cut it. Yes, Kim, I am in a long position on gold, only with 1 micro, but I'm copying this on funded accounts, only on Apex now. I should have copied it on MyFundedFutures as well, but I forgot to set up the copy trader. Anyway, but yeah, I mean, it's not necessarily going to mean that it's going to go up there. And actually, if it starts to go sideways for too long, I might going to put this to break even. In fact, I don't like the way it looks now. That's the problem. We have gaps down there. So, but we also have some good levels up there. Not sure. Oh, look at this. Another reversal on NQ, at least an attempt. I'm not sure if I want to go in there. Not a clean structure shift though, but I don't like this. I'm not gonna take the long for now. I'm not. Nothing that I like on that. Raise the interest rate. 1 micro in gold, I have no idea. Actually, I should know, but I don't know. I don't know exactly. I use this tool, which called in TradingView, which called long. So 61.9, I guess 60.9. So I think it's 1 micro on 1 full point is $10. So I don't know. $1, I think. You were not able to sleep, Jacques? Come on, what happened, Jacques? Yeah. And get what happened, Jacques? They stacking orders. What? You were short, Jacques. I know you were short. You were short full porting the NQ. Yeah, this is getting wild, absolutely. Yeah, it's definitely okay to sit down. How many Trump coins? None. I don't even know how that Trump coin is moving. I think it's down now. I haven't even checked it. Order stacking at 262. Let's check. Okay. Looks like there could be a possible reversal. I still like that 388 up there. But I need a stronger confirmation than the 1 minute to even consider. Yeah, $1. Yeah. Sorry, Paul. Yeah, true. 300. I'm going more. You're short from 300. Nice. Oh, I see. For before the New York, yes, I can imagine, but it would need to do some kind of a structure shift here before the stock exchange open. I would say, like, not like 7 a.m. maybe, but before the stock exchange opens, somewhere around here. So like, you know, something like this, it could, you know, maybe. Maybe. Any for river. Okay, right. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna be careful here. And unfortunately, my gold trade is I moved my stop from down here to a little bit tighter, but you know, if it would trade below 53.3, then obviously gold wants to make a new low, and I just don't want to be a part of that. So that was the reason for that. I'm watching the 5-minute NQ as well. Yeah, I'm tempted too. I'm just scared about that 171. Very dangerous. Yeah, it's really trying to catch a falling knife here. I am scared about that 171 down there. If I need to see a proper up close candle with the shift or some kind of a strong move to the upside before even considering it, and I don't trust the 1 minute now. I just don't. And look at gold. I mean, it's all right, I guess. There's gap here. I might try to reprice, so it's still all right. I don't like the 1 minute on NQ. This is absolutely terrible. But it can be still turning around. Ooh, excuse me. Use volume indicator on your trading view. I don't use it, Ali. By the way, Quant Tower has a volume indicator, I think. Okay, so how does this work? What do I choose here? Volume impulse, segmented volume, relative volume, I don't even know what this is. Abnormal volume. Oscillator, no. So there's a volume indicator. I don't know which to choose from. It uses color distinguishes control. Okay, I don't know which indicator is that. So if I type volume, max volume, on balance, positive volume, relative volume, segmented volume. I'm gonna try relative. Oh, this is not what I was looking for. Never mind. There's different types of volumes here. I don't even know them. Thank you, thank you, Jacques, for dropping in. We're gonna have fun for sure. Yeah. This is one indicator that uses color to distinguish, using control rather than just green or red bars. I see. Long from 230. Ashevs couldn't hold himself back and said, F you, NQ, I'm gonna show you. And so with that sentence, he just took along from 230. kind of like it though, but I still don't see anything on my end that I can jump into. I'm just scared about the 171. That's all. Saucy G says, long it, Tom. Long it. Long it. That sounds weird. But that's what he said. Long it. Yeah, go long. Okay, so this is the situation where I'm losing my mind for no reason. So I might have to take my pills. Trent is the best friend. Yeah, might be. Might be. Unfortunately, yeah. I'm waiting for the opposite trend. Uh-oh. NQ just said to Ashebs, no, I'm gonna drop some more. And it's happening. No, it's not funny. This is my Batman voice, by the way. You know, my Christian Bale Batman voice. I should always have that, yeah. I'm not wearing hockey pants. I don't know, that's something. Call it in. I'm the hero Gotham deserves, but not the one that needs right now. Oh, that's different. Yeah, Bale is absolutely, you know, he nailed it. Although, since I was born in the 80s, when I was a kid, my Batman superhero obviously was Michael Keaton. So in my heart, deep down, I will always have Michael Keaton as my Batman. But obviously, I think Christian Bale absolutely nailed the character. I think Ben Affleck is nowhere absolutely near to Christian Bale's Batman. Not just the Batman, but Bruce Wayne's character. So couldn't be far away, more far away from his character. So anyway, but deep in my heart, it's always gonna be Michael Keaton. So that was the 90s, but you know, I born in the 80s, so I was like, it was out in the movies. But when I first saw the Batman, the '89 Batman, I was like, I saw it on a videotape. I was like 8 or 10 years old, and after that, I saw it a couple of more times when I was a kid. And then came Batman Returns in '92. With Michael Keaton again, and for me, you know, it was always Michael Keaton. But yes, Christian Bale is definitely, yeah, Heath Ledger, unbelievable, yeah. Keaton did a good job, yeah. I was a little disappointed in the Flash movie on the part when they came up with his Bruce Wayne character again. I think they should have gave more background, more character to the story of Bruce Wayne as Michael Keaton, or I mean Michael Keaton as Bruce Wayne again in the new Flash movie. I was a little bit disappointed, but it was extremely good to see Michael Keaton again as Batman. But I was like, I was expecting a little bit more from. Obviously, the movie was about the Flash, but still, you know, the way that he looked like with the long hair, like a hobo, in the movie, and he was acting up all weird. I think that sequence, that scene, was absolutely stupid, and I think unnecessary. I think it was stupid to see Michael Keaton's Bruce Wayne as a hobo who's eating spaghetti and acting out weird in the kitchen. I think that was actually not good. I did not like it. I didn't like it. But anyway, my stop loss on gold. My gold stop loss is 53.33. Sorry. It might take me out. I don't trust this. I don't trust this move, so. Oh, definitely. At some point, it will be. It will be good. Let me read that up here. Yeah. You were born 78. It's going to 8 plates in the gym. Let's go, one week. Oh, nice. Inverse head and shoulders forming. Let's see. Oh, let me go back to NQ for you guys. Are you on? I'm no. I'm not taking steroids. Always be Beetlejuice. Yeah, that one too. The worst Batman was George Clooney. I agree. I think George Clooney's Batman was a joke to the whole Batman franchise and everything. George Clooney's Batman was just an absolute joke. I mean, Batman Forever with Val Kilmer was also a joke. When I liked Jim Carrey back in the days because of Ace Ventura and The Mask, obviously. I was still a kid. And, you know, of course, I watched Batman Forever. But now that I look back, Batman Forever is also a joke, right? So, if it would be possible, I would erase the whole universe from, you know, that Batman Forever and Batman and Robin. Anyway, Christian Bale, you know, absolutely, he is the one. After Michael Keaton. But the Michael Keaton universe was, again, totally different. Oh, Batman Superman versus Superman movie. Raphael, I think you guys saw some videos on YouTube as well. Like, it was like, I don't know, you know, it was a popcorn movie for me. The fact that Batman versus Superman, and you know, when he found out, oh, your mom is called Martha. Best friends for life, bro. You know, that's it. BFFs forever. You know, oh, your mother is Martha too. Come on, bro. BFFs. That's it. You're cool, man. You're awesome. Forget about all the stuff you know you did as an alien. I don't care. That's the past. Your mother's name is Martha too, so forget about everything. We are bros forever. So that's how it hit me when I saw the movie. Like, what? What the hell? What just happened? That was like a crazy twist for me. Like in the movie, like, what? That's it? He found out that Superman's mother's name is Martha too, and it's over. That's it. That was it. Okay. All right. I guess. Michael Keaton was a stagehand on Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood. Oh, he was a stagehand. That's where he started. Awesome. Christian Bale, The Big Short. I think that was awesome. I think he definitely. Christian Bale absolutely nails all those characters. I think he's absolutely talented. He's very, very talented. NQ 4-hour. Here's the NQ 4-hour. That's why I said we still... Oh, we have that 71, you see? We have the 71. This is the 4-hour. Yeah, The Big Short, I like it. Also, I think Ryan Gosling's character from Deutsche Bank is also amazing. Like how cool he takes it, you know. You know what, guys? I think it should be the time now for me to put this to break even and not to lose my, at least not to lose capital on this one. So I'm going to move this to break even. 57.4 actually, just to cover the commission. So it can still go down, of course, but, you know. Margin calls, 1 week. Margin call, margin call was absolutely... Margin call is one of the most underrated trading or trading related or Wall Street related movies ever. So if you haven't watched it already, please watch Margin Call. Absolutely one of the most underrated movies. I think that movie should have got like some... I'm not saying Oscars, but definitely some awards that should have. I don't know if it received any awards, but I think that is absolutely great. And favorite character in that movie is Jeremy Irons, I think. That little monologue that he tells in the conference room, I think that monologue carries the whole movie. You know, his character, Jeremy Irons, as the CEO of the brokerage firm, I think absolutely out of the universe. You know, as he enters, his voice, oh yeah, the way he enters the room, you know, his gestures, how he looks on the people, and then he starts to put out his British. I'm not sure if is he originally British or something. Anyway, he speaks in a British accent a little bit. I hear some, or I don't know what kind of, but his voice and the whole character, I think that's awesome. They built him up, you know, quite well, you know, in that movie, I think. And he says a lot of truth about Wall Street. You know what happened in the past, what's happening now, and is going to repeat itself again and again, and it's never going to be over. So and the way he sees the whole company or the firm and trading, that's the way to do it, I guess. And he says that in the movie, like, it wasn't brains that he got him as a CEO. I like the way he says, like, talk to me as to a young child or to a golden retriever. Because he doesn't care an F about what's in the papers. Just tell him what's happening in plain English. You know, incredible acting from Jeremy Irons, I think. One of the best, I may say. And he was actually not the main character, but he's still... Anne Hathaway on The Dark Knight Rises. Oh, I had a crush on Anne Hathaway in The Dark Knight. I had a crush on her. Like, oh my god, she is like, yeah. I mean, as acting wise, I'm not gonna comment, but the way she looked, like, oh, I think she was. He's the voice of the... Oh, in The Alchemist. Whew. I might gonna get that. Almost there. Yeah, you're in from 62. Let's go. I don't know what I should do about this still, because I have a feeling, I don't know. We have a liquidity void on the 5-minute mini up there, and We have a 15-minute zone up there, so not sure. She needs to hit the squats. Yeah. Scalp long. SMTVDS. Haven't even checked it. Anyway, I have to say that again. Anne Hathaway as Catwoman in the Dark Knight. I think she was hot. I think she was hot. I was like, whoa, I like that. I liked her style. I liked the way she... Anyway. I liked it. I have to use the bathroom, so I'll be right back. I wanted that cat. Oh, I wanted it. I'll be right back. All right, what's happening here? Yeah, I was. Let's go. I like this. Unfortunately, I only copied this trade on the Apex accounts. I wanted to copy this trade on the MyFundedFutures accounts as well, but anyway, this is only traded on Apex, but I made this account made 119 bucks. So 119, 112, 111. What the hell? 110. All right. Anyway, I'm gonna leave these accounts because this will count as a trading day, and as you guys can see, I'm getting closer to 3,000 on this account, or on this one as well, this one as well, and this one is getting closer to, well, 3,500. My aim is to go for 4,000 and trying to request $2,000 on each of these accounts. So just slowly 400 and something dollars with one micro. I think that's good, obviously with copy trading. Yeah, thank you. It was a nice one, but I could have done better if I don't mess around here with the NQ, but I think I did good for closing that trade. I don't know. If you guys are curious why I chose to do this trade on gold, this is the reason. Supply area or bearish order block, whatever you want to call it, we're gonna call it LP level. And there is a 5-minute liquidity void here also. So as soon as I started to see, and of course because everybody is risk off and NQ is dumping, I was just waiting for gold to go. I think it should be repricing 2771.4 on futures, and then it should be going into 72 or maybe all the way to 75. I'm not sure if it will hit the Asia high, but this was the 15-minute zone goal on gold. Anyway, back to NQ. All right, back to NQ. LP level is it's LP trading. Ushman, he had a YouTube channel, but unfortunately he passed away in 2023, very young. He passed away in a heart attack, and I learned these kind of stuff from him. And since he calls it supply or demand, but we can call it order blocks as well, or we can call it LP level. That's it, basically. You can call it supply or order block, whatever. So, I don't. It's not officially LP level. I'm just saying this since you guys know the story. Many of you guys know the LP is OP. Yeah. So he was a nice guy. His channel is still up, but unfortunately, he passed away suddenly, tragically, in 23. But he was very good in trading these levels. I learned a lot from him. And since then, sometimes I do refer to this as LP zones. His name is Ushman, but his channel's name is LP Trading. LP Trading. He was trading back in the years with FTMO, my Forex funds, and all those CFD prop firms. And he wasn't just an affiliate. He was actually making payouts regularly, like monthly. He was taking on average about $20,000 plus minus from FTMO, my Forex funds, before they went out of business, and some other prop firms too. And he was taking constant payouts, and he was posting it on Discord, on the videos as well. He was a very smart guy. And he was always looking for these zones. Those die suddenly events that seems to have been happening a lot since the pandemic. It's really bad. Yeah, and he took the thing, you know. He took the thing after the thing happened. I cannot say it because then YouTube is going to flag the account. And YouTube is not about the pointing thing. Yeah, YouTube is not about the freedom of speech, so have to be careful what we say. So he took the thing after the thing, and that's it. Beam Daddy said it. I cannot say it out loud because the algorithm checks the voice. Yeah, so that thing happened. And after that, he took the thing with the pointer, and he just had a heart attack on the street. And he was 36 years old, I think. Super young. Tragic, tragic. Back to 21,200. This is too fun. Yeah, this is too fun. No problem, Pimp Daddy. It's all right. We can talk about it, actually. I just happened to know, because they were talking about this a lot on some other videos, that YouTube algorithm actually looking for the word. There are some words which one says on the stream, then the algorithm already starting to shadow ban or do something about the channel. Yeah, that's something like that. Yeah. Yeah, chefs. The career of 22 years and my retirement for not taking it. Oh, not going back for Trump either. He is not. He is on it and pushing for more of those. Yeah. Yeah. I know what you're saying there. Maybe I'm gonna open a channel on rumble.com and we can talk freely about this stuff. But I completely understand what you're saying there, Tim. Yeah. All they can do, you wouldn't imagine what they can do. Team Daddy Trades, you would not imagine what they can do. I see, Tim Payne. No, don't worry. I mean, of course we can talk about it. I mean, of course, no problem with that. I also have, yeah, he took that. Yeah. I also have my opinion about that. That's why I'm saying sometimes, because sometimes I tend to dive into a bit of a politics, mostly about my country. And I think I should take it to a Rumble channel or something, because YouTube is filtering and censoring everyone. And they have an algorithm for that. At that time it was bribing people to take it and giving them paid time off hours. Oh, well, Stone, nobody at that time, nobody really knew what was happening. So yes, there were signs, but nobody really knew. Nobody. It was a huge confusion. Everything was crazy, and nothing happened like that before. So Kool-Aid. Yeah, Kool-Aid is good. The goat milk is another name for it. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so yeah, here as well, everybody had to take the Kool-Aid, because then you couldn't do anything. Everybody was scared. Propaganda everywhere. So yeah, unfortunately, my mother took it as well, and we were at a cardiologist, and because she got to hospital last year, and since then we're visiting doctor to doctor, and she's receiving treatment, and are a very high knowledgeable and respected cardiologist in my country. I took her there, and he said, this very respected cardiologist, that it's because of the Kool-Aid. That's what he said. The Kool-Aid actually, he has a lot of patients that took the Kool-Aid, and everybody is, just saying. Anyway. Ollie, have a good night. Thank you for dropping in. See you in New York if you come back, or worst case scenario, tomorrow London. Yeah, exactly, Tim. Yeah. Exactly. So, and I had to travel in Europe because I had some business. I was working for a company back then, and I had to travel abroad to another country. I had to travel to Croatia. I had to travel to Austria, and I had no choice but to drink the Kool-Aid as well. I'm not proud of it. It's actually one of the things I regret in my life. So now I have to live my life like, okay, what the hell is gonna happen, But anyway, let's move back to trading. What's happening here? The 3-minute actually shifted, by the way, just saying. Kool-Aid is good for you. Yeah. Look at this shift here. Look at this shift. 3 minute. I'm not really trading the 3 minute, but this looks quite interesting. The only thing is that we have the 5 a.m. getting closer. Now, if I'm looking for some levels here on the upside, actually I'm going to delete these lines because these are not relevant anymore. On the upside, actually the first level I could go with when was the open 88.75 there. That's a zone right there. So I'd like to see that 88. I'm actually a little bit tempted to take along, but which flavored? Well, the most popular one, you know, that everybody took in the States. Big level from the bottom to the top, and NQF. I see. And 200 has been great support. Yeah, it's acting up as a good support here so far. So, oh no, oh Paul, that sucks, man. Yeah, it's scary to go long. I don't see. I would like to see something on the 5 minute. So the only thing I saw here is on the 3 minute, which is good, but I'm a little bit scared here. Look at that. Now it's just inverted it. Might go down to the 171 after a strong move like this. And the way the candles are printing, I just don't like it. I just don't. I don't know. Motivation healing. Not sure about that. Not sure. Yeah, might be. Look at gold. I think I took profit. Did I just take profit to the tick up there? I think I did. I think I took profit to the tick here. Jeez. Look at that. To the tick. Anyway. It still should go higher on gold. I think so. Yeah, the 5 minute looks ugly. I still don't like to. I don't like it. I don't like this. So I know. I'm not. I'm especially on a day like this when index futures are dropping like hell. And risk off scenario in the market. The markets are down. I would stay bullish on gold. I would be careful with the shorts. So. Actually, I'd like to see gold take out the Asia high and then I don't know what else is there. Nothing else. I like to see it take out the Asia high. That's what I'd like to see from gold. %50 of NFP possible bounce. Yeah. Oh, yeah. That could be also. Before then go up. Yeah, I mean gold can gold can reprice some levels. You know, squeeze out some longs and then finally move up there. That's what gold used to do. Gold is a little bit dirty. Likes to play dirty games. Go down, squeeze. You know, pick up some orders and then finally go up. I think I was a little bit lucky here. But considering this, NQ wants to go through the 171 maybe. True story. Yeah, it's a true story. It's a true story. Going down to 171. It seems like 20 points at this, after all these internal liquidity sweep and taking out that these relative equal lows, I think 171 would be the crown jewel on this move. But be careful. A bounce is around the corner anytime. Okay, it seems like he's going for it. This is astonishing. Yes. Yes, it is. Oh. That's what it is. Yeah, Camille. This is all we know. More downside if we can break this 192. Yeah. Yeah, I think so. Now comes the decision on this 1 minute gap. What's it gonna do? I mean, it can squeeze up to the 20s, but then if this is still a down move, it should start to drop. I'm not in a trade, no way. But my paper trading account is actually in a very good profit. It's almost at $4,000 profit. Beautiful trades here on my paper trading account. Sometimes, I mean, I trade Bitcoin on the weekends when I have to control my trading addiction. And I trade Bitcoin on paper trade. And guess what? I realized something, that trading Bitcoin, I mean, I was just trading it on, as I said, on the weekend, but trading it is not actually all that much a difference when I'm looking for the same kind of setups. But anyway, it was interesting. More downside if we can break this. Yeah. Oh yeah, I read that. Yeah. So let's see. Feels like it wants it. I don't know. Let's wait for it. Small 5-minute further outside of the orb. Okay, let's see. Short since 275. Ooh. Wow. That is nice. Well, maybe it's gonna hold. Who knows? Maybe this is a huge bounce area here. Not sure. Okay. There's one more gap here at 29. Might want to reprice that. Yeah, maybe on an evaluation account, not on a funded. But yeah. Turtle soup. Well, if this would be a real nice turtle soup, I would have liked it to take out that 171. Trading view, smart money concept, historical card. Oh, I see. Well, as I said, it can bounce. 049. Yeah. So here was the. Let me delete this. Here's a gap. Not sure if this is gonna change the direction, but you know. There's nothing else on the 5 or the 3, so we'll see how it's going to react. It might do a bullish breaker here. No, just going through. But then it has to go above 40. What's the level there? 45. What's the high? The high is 46.50 on this one. If this would be a short squeeze, a real short squeeze. To pick up some orders. So I'm not sure. So far in the gap. Nothing special. I wonder how many traders got short on this level here. That 171 could still be in play. So I don't know what the plan. I guess it can go sideways as well. There could be orders above that 45, but from the ones who went short, if the algorithm wants to squeeze them. I'm not sure. The macro is coming in 8 minutes, so I guess we'll see. Is this gonna waterfall down? I don't know. No displacement. Maybe if it would break the lows, I'm not sure. Not sure. You're longing gold? Oh yeah, look at that. Just like we talked about. It seems like we're going to that 71.4. Once again, but I don't. Yeah, I'm not trusting that SMT right now. I think 171 could still be in play. So eventually this gap, I mean, price got a nice reaction to this gap here. Oh, 50%. Okay. Well, that's a strong level, I guess. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm not gonna take a trade on this. I'm super happy about the gold trade. I exited around break even from this NQ long. I hopefully maybe the New York session will bring us something. So I'm gonna call it here, everyone. Thank you so much for watching and being here. This was a great London session. And what can I say? I'll be back for the New York Stock Exchange Open. Thank you again for watching. And that's it. If you would like to support the channel, please use the code TAMSAVO for everywhere. I mean, most of the prop firms. Thank you so much for the support. Click on my links, use the code. Some good sales are still going on. And what can I say? Oh yeah, God bless every one of you, and I'll be back for the New York session. All right, cheers everyone.